I'm a speaker. I'm also an international trainer. And so I have to tell you, expert who speaks is a really great thing. Expert who does a workshop is a really bad thing because it ends up being a 6-hour presentation. And corporations will no longer pay for that. They are not interested. So requirements, it needs to be 30-70, meaning the audience has to be involved at least 70% of the time. As a workshop leader, you're only doing 30% of the speaking. So how do we then go about creating a workshop that is 70% application? And you've bought your flat pack furniture. Yeah? Okay? You've got your flat pack furniture. You bring your flat pack furniture home, and the question is, what do you do with your flat pack furniture? Now, some of you are going to put that flat pack furniture on the table or on the floor. You're immediately going to go over to your neighbor's house and you're going to say, Sylvia, you bought one of these, didn't you? Can I see it? Was it hard to put together? Do you want to come over and help me do it? Yeah. So some of us are actually gonna call a friend. Right? We're gonna go and look, we're gonna get a friend to come and help us. There are some of us who will bring home that flat pack furniture. We will open that box. We will pull out all of the pieces and lay them all out. We will get the instructions and have the pieces laid out according to the instructions and proceed to build the puzzle that is the flat pack furniture. Yeah, anyone? Yeah, okay, we got a few. There are still others who will bring home that flat pack furniture, open that box, rifle through it, find the instructions, and settle into their most comfortable chair with their pint of beer, their glass of wine, or beverage of choice, and settle in for an afternoon of reading the instructions. They may even sleep on them, okay, before they proceed to build, yeah? Okay. And then we have a group of people who brings home that flat pack furniture. They open that box, they start pulling things out, they say, oh look, these two fit together, cool, okay, ooh, that might go there, and they say, I have a table. There are 6 parts left over. They're probably spare, yeah?